Hey, what's going on YouTube? You got the old Mongo man out here in the garage. Chad and Beth are over tonight after a nice weekend in Florida. And we are getting ready to put old General Norman on a set of stands here. Fabric cobbled something together here for the front. We're about to do the back once we get it down level. Chad's trying to burn himself there on the freshly welded steel. Is that hot, Chad?
Yeah.
Hey, just finishing up here tonight. Chad, Beth just left. It is, I don't know, about quarter after 9. And we got General Norman off of the rotisserie tonight. Went ahead and built up some stands so that he could sit on his own once again. And put it down on the ground. Looking good. All right, here's General Norman off of the rotisserie for the first time in a long time. Actually, 5 weeks it's been sitting on the rotisserie, and now here in Mongo's garage, it is now sitting on its own 4 wheels once again. Mind you, those 4 wheels are fabricated stands that we made this evening just so that it can stand there once again. What we did was we took some essentially 2.5 by 5 rectangular tubing, some hobo freight casters, some, I think that's 2 by 1 angle, and welded it all together there with the hot glue gun. Back here, we actually took an old bent up LBR off of a fork truck, cut it up, and made up the rear ones here. Essentially the same idea as you got on the front there, the hobo freight casters, and then a piece of 18.5 inch long, 3 inch by 1/2 inch flat stock with a piece of I don't know, that's probably 3/8 by 2 inch flat stock welded to it perpendicularly to give it some strength. And then those are actually just bolted into place where the leaf springs would normally bolt, where that front shackle for the leaf springs bolt. And actually this design was mirrored off of the US car tool design, at least where they bolt everything onto it. And right now, the front, because nothing's on it, the front's very light. As you can see, it doesn't take much to move it around at all. But tomorrow the plan is to go ahead and mount the fenders to it, get the doors hung back on it, set the trunk and the hood on it, and then get it pushed back into the trailer, which will pretty much bring us to the end of General Norman here at Mongo's Garage. We set to get all the hot work done, get all the welding and everything completed, grind everything down, and then put it in the epoxy, which, as you can see, has been completed. I would call that another successful venture here in Mongo's Garage, and really happy with the way it turned out. All the welding looks pretty good. The grinding, everything, I'm very happy with what we got done here. I think Chad and Beth are as well. So tomorrow we'll get the doors and everything back on it, and you'll get to see that. Till then, see you later. Well, did he fall off? No, sir. General Norman is still standing proudly on his brand new transportation stands. Getting ready to leave the garage here shortly. It's been fun, General Norman. Talk to you soon, brother. Stop.
Yeah, I didn't lined up.
I got this.
Let me get my arm out.
Yeah,
Hold on.
This is the first time I've ever really got a good look at the back there.
Oh my goodness, my God. Hold on. Those tires move easy.
Talk to me, Goose.
That should be good.
I hope so. Maybe.
All right, everybody. So as you got to see tonight, we put General Norman back together, and that is a wrap for this visit to Mongo's Garage this time around. Maybe it'll come back, maybe it won't. We'll see what happens.
Break it down.
Well, there you go. General Norman is now officially out of Mongo's Garage, and we are moving on to the next project. Well, maybe not the next project, but at least we're going to get started on one. This is the bed off of Too Tall in the garage to get some stuff taken care of it. The former owner had poked some holes in the bed for the fifth wheel, and then the owner after that put a big hole in the bed for a stack. This bed has a little bit of rust repair that needs to be taken care of. A big dent in the front. There's a dent there, a dent here. And of course that floor needs all taken care of, so we're gonna get this done. But we're gonna get the El Camino over here as well. We're gonna probably clean the garage. Let's see, it's Thursday. Tomorrow night we're going out for KJ's birthday. Saturday morning, we're going to get in here and get this garage all cleaned up, get this bed mounted to the rotisserie. Maybe we'll work on it a little bit, and then hopefully we can get Rowdy's car over here and get moving on it. We've got to paint it and get it going. But, yep, that's the end of the story for General Norman here at Mongo's Garage, this chapter anyway. Who knows? Like I said, we may get to see it again once things settle down here in the garage a little bit, and Chad has collected a little bit more funds to move on to the next stage. We just might get it back in here, so keep your eyes open for that one. And if not, I'll update you guys on what he's got going on with it if he does find another garage to get it done in. But that's it for now, guys. Here at Mongo's Garage, we do appreciate you guys watching all the videos, liking, subscribing, commenting, and just having a good old time with us here. So until we move along with Too Tall or the El Camino, we'll see you then. All right, Mongo is out.